This has got to be one of the most proud moments of my life, I guarantee you.
It is the most beautiful sight.
Working against that suit was demanding, squeezing the gloves and moving the arms and trying to bend over, and so it was exhausting.
No, dadgummit.
This suit will be much easier to walk in or to do a lot of the same tasks that they did back in Apollo and more, but to do it in a little bit easier way.
It's going to give us a really great indication of how mobile the suit is, and again, what kind of fatigue, if anything, the crew members are going to feel after working for 6 or 7 hours.